5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southwest of Monroe, or near Mineral Springs, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Monroe, Weddington, Wesley Chapel, Wingate, Waxhaw, Mineral Springs, Jars, Trinity, Indian Trail, and Marvin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Union, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe...
Okay. Well, I already have... Well, before my WR-30 being a shelf along with my Autowater radios, I could have filmed them all, but just for this specific alert, I just wanted to do my WR-30 for this one.
Any size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Something I don't do too often.
Trees and power lines. Locations impacted in